Last week, Tanya from Carts and Millie suggested that I might want to focus on cleaning the workshop. So I started. Sometimes other things take precedence. For instance, I had to finish these cabinet doors for a client. So I'll show you how that kitchen turned out. I'm really pleased with the results, and more importantly, so is the client. It was a small kitchen, but it had a lot of cabinets. So today I was going to clean, but I ended up doing work for the man upstairs. I was invited to letter some things for a church. So I, of course, chose to do it, and I was honored to be asked and honored to be able to do it. So the goal was to get it done by Easter so that these folks could enjoy it in their place of worship on Easter Sunday. So I did that. So I'm going to work on the room tomorrow. So it's short and sweet this week, but remember, our channel membership's only 99 cents a month, and then you can help me decide what I'm going to do on Tuesday Talk. Plus a lot of other fun benefits. Just click join. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, how about giving it a thumbs up? And then subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Join me at lavintagedecor.company, and on Instagram, we're LaVintage Decor, and on Facebook, we're LaVintage Decor Altoona. Stay well.